Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from InstaCrypto, and inside this video I'll take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy any crypto with InstaCrypto. Now, in my previous video I discussed about the advantages and disadvantages of InstaCrypto. If you have not checked out that video, I highly recommend you check that out before proceeding with this one. I'll leave the link for that video in the description below. Now this is how the interface of InstaCrypto is. So you'll find a lot of information on the homepage. There are also some articles as well about some cryptocurrency information, and you'll also find some live pricing of all the cryptos listed here. So if you want to keep a track of the price, you can definitely come to the homepage and check out all the information. Now they also have a market section here where you can go ahead and directly select whichever crypto you would like to trade or buy or sell, and that will also directly take you to that particular coin where you can see the buy and sell price, which is a little different from each other. So in this case I will go ahead and select Dogecoin because I will be ordering some Dogecoin now. So once you have it, another good feature about InstaCrypto is they have gone ahead and color coded the cryptos with green being the buy and red being the sell, so that you clearly know that you're either buying or selling. So I'll go ahead and click on buy Dogecoin, and I can go ahead and enter the exact value in Indian rupees, and it automatically calculates the crypto value for that particular Indian rupees that I'm entering. So I'll go ahead and place an order for 500 rupees worth Dogecoin for this price at the moment, and it automatically calculated the amount of Dogecoin that I will be getting. So all I have to do is I would have to enter my receiving address for Dogecoin, which I already have here. I have a Jax wallet that I've set up, and I got this address from my Jax wallet. So once I'm sure that I have entered everything correctly, I would have to go ahead and click on buy Dogecoin. Then it takes me to the crypto cart page where I can review and also see the fees and the network fee being added. And for new users who are going ahead and logging in to InstaCrypto, they do have some referral program going on. So if you're referred by someone else, then you will get ₹100 off on your first order. You can also use my referral link that's mentioned in the description below to get ₹100 off on your first order. So once you have checked if everything's correct here, go ahead and click on proceed to checkout. And you can also go ahead and enter your coupon code here in case if you forgot to enter it in the previous screen. Then it will go ahead and display your details, and you would have to enter your mobile phone number here in order to go ahead and validate the second factor authentication. So let me quickly go ahead and enter my phone number here, and once I've received the OTP to my phone number, I'll go ahead and enter that. So my phone is now verified. I can also check here if my wallet address is correct and the value of Dogecoin I'm receiving, and I can also confirm the total amount here after the fees and network fee has been added. And once I've confirmed everything, can go ahead and choose the payment method. Now I can either choose IMPS bank transfer or UPI based on my necessity. So what I'll do here is I'll go ahead and select UPI, and I will be using Tez app to transfer funds for this particular order. So before you proceed, just ensure you have checked this box which says I've read and accept the terms and conditions. If you want to go through the terms and conditions, you can always click on this link, and you can go through all the terms and conditions of InstaCrypto. And once you're okay with that, you can go ahead and click on place order. So once I click on place order, it will take me through the order confirmation screen where I can go ahead and complete the payment. So let me quickly launch my Tez app and click on new and click on UPI ID or QR code. So I can either use the UPI ID here and enter the UPI ID that's listed here. This will be useful if you're using a mobile phone to complete the payment, or in this case I can go ahead and click on scan QR code, and I'll go ahead and scan this particular QR code, and it is automatically giving me the information of InstaCrypto. You can also double check this by checking out the UPI ID if it's going to match the UPI ID that's been mentioned here. So once that's confirmed, I would have to go ahead and enter the exact total amount as mentioned up to the decimals, and I'll mention the order number here in what's this for. So once I've ensured everything is correct, I'll go ahead and click on proceed to pay, and I would have to enter my UPI PIN. So there we have it. I've successfully gone ahead and completed the payment for the purchase of my Dogecoin for worth 500 rupees. So that's somewhere around 1666 Dogecoin. So once I've completed my payment, I would have to go back and enter the UPI reference ID here. So I will just scroll down and get the UPI reference ID. First I would have to enter my order number, which I'll go ahead and copy paste here, and I'll enter the UPI reference ID as well. So once I've ensured all the details are correct, I'll click on submit transaction details, and my transaction details are sent. Now let me quickly go to my Jax wallet, and the Dogecoin is already received in my Jax wallet, so that was very quick. So that is basically how you go ahead and trade or buy crypto on InstaCrypto.in. I hope this video was helpful, it was informative. If you have any questions at all in regards to InstaCrypto, please go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. I would definitely love to answer them. And if you like this video, go ahead and give us a like, and also subscribe to our channel if you're somebody new here, and hit the bell button to get notified on any of our future videos. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.